If the world was ending and you were to have one final meal, what would it be? Who would make it? Where would it take place? And who would be performing?
Who would be performing? Wow. Okay, I get like dinner and a show for my last meal. Okay. Okay, so I would say definitely would be like full on Cantonese restaurant classic spread. Like salt and pepper pork chops, salt and pepper squid, because hey, the world is ending. We're being indulgent. We can have all the fried food we want. um, Steamed fish, like tofu, like braid, like hongshao tofu and like clay pot. That stuff is so good. And then, of course, a huge bowl of white rice because nobody's counting carbs if it's your last meal.
Right.
As for where, I would say probably there's this really great restaurant in New York City in Chinatown called Fulin. It's like a seafood restaurant. Seafood, but they make the best food and it's so cheap and it's just so good. We go there almost like every time we're in the city with family, and it's like, where should we eat? It's top notch. Who would be there? I mean, my family would be there, obviously. Who would be performing? That's kind of a weird one. I don't know who would be performing. I would probably be happy if we just had kind of like, I don't know, like on the one hand, I would want some like low key like classics like Nat King Cole playing in the background because you want to relax and enjoy your food. But on the other hand, I feel like it should be like a big blowout where you're just like listening to like crazy like dance music and just like stuffing your face at the same time.
It
So
could be a
time between
mashup.
those two, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It could be like the first half is very genteel and the second half you're like full and ready to dance.
There you go. Whoa, that sounds incredible and definitely worthy of the end of the world.